Hi everyone, this is Ayman Abraham. This is week 14 update with Nicole. So how's it going, Nicole?
All right. Could do better.
So did you lose any weight or gain any weight?
I gained weight this week.
Yeah.
But I was camping. I was doing a bunch of things with people. They were eating like crazy, so I let myself indulge for that weekend.
That's right.
Yes.
Because some external factors will contribute to how we eat or how we live our life, right? So that's why it's hard to do it 100% clean.
I was saying to you before that honestly, I still think that this has been an amazing program. I like what I've learned, and I think it'll be something I can apply. If I hadn't been applying what I've already learned, even though it's been slower than other people, I can't compare myself to them because I'm doing so much in my life. But I can't imagine if I didn't have the program, I'm sure.
That's right. So
way more.
Like even if you're like you're not going to hit your initial goal that you were expecting 14 weeks ago, but I'm sure you learned something new.
Absolutely.
You can use in the future.
For sure. I don't feel like I brought this up before. I don't feel defeated. I feel like it's just where I'm at right now isn't as I'm not able to focus as much as I'd like to, but that's going to change again. I'm in the middle of summer. It's exciting. Things are happening. Life is happening, but I feel very capable of being able to get back on track.
That's right. So what do you think your goal should be, your final goal in 6 weeks from today?
So I want to be down to 185 at the end of 6
So the total weight loss would be
20 pounds.
20 pounds and total 20 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
So
awesome.
I think that's doable. That's still good achievements, right? And on the other hand, like to enjoying your time with your friends. Some other factors in our life we cannot control 100%, but you're still making progress.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So let's change the weight. Final goal to 185. That's 6 weeks from today.
Okay.
And we'll see how it goes.
Sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.